What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get back the missing settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. If your settings app seems to have disappeared, don't worry, there's a simple fix. The first solution is to use your iPhone's app library to locate the settings app. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library, which is the screen that organizes all of your apps into categories. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type settings. When the settings app appears in the search results, press and hold its icon, then drag it back to your home screen. This will ensure it's easily accessible again. If the settings icon is still missing or you want to completely reset your home screen layout, there's another method you can use. Open the settings app by swiping down from the top of your screen, or you can also search for it in the app library if needed, and then go to General. From there, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then select Reset. In the options that appear, choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This will restore your home screen to its default layout, placing the settings app back in its original position. Keep in mind that this will organize all of your app icons to their factory default positions, but no data or apps will be deleted. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.